At the core of ATS's Symphoni platform is its patented Rapid Speed Matching, or RSM, technology. RSM precisely coordinates the movement of Symphoni devices, gearing them together electronically as if they were tied to a mechanical line shaft. This results in astonishingly high speeds, gentle parts handling, and a compact footprint. Symphoni's RSM arm is the workhorse of the system, the orchestra player who can take on almost any instrument. It is a fully tested, lightweight, articulating two-axis arm that uses servo-controlled motion to efficiently move, manipulate, load, and assemble parts. When not handling any parts or products, the RSM arm moves as fast as possible, dramatically eliminating wasted time. But when the RSM arm performs core processes, it is precise and controlled, and exerts no additional force on the product. Like the conductor's baton, it might not be immediately clear what the RSM arm can achieve when you watch it swing up and down, side to side. But slow down the show, and the results are evident.